All right, boys, so we're back today and we got something real crazy for the M3. So finally something had came in as well. All right, so this spring's gonna be a different video, but we got the Arms Motorsport catted downpipes, and then we got the IRL valved exhaust. I'm about to drop it off to go get it installed, and then right after that we're gonna be getting a sound test. Arms Motorsport and the IRL. So I waited around like 2.5 weeks by now for the exhaust. The downpipes, I've had it for like 2 weeks by now. The KW lowering springs, I've had those for like 3 months sitting inside my room. I just have yet to get them put on. But now, since like I'm getting to exhaust work, I might as well just finish like everything up and just get all over with now. But I have 2 videos on the Jenny about the exhaust work, and then I would do the M3 exhaust work on my own, but the issue is I don't have a lift and I just don't have the time for it. But yeah, boys, I'm gonna also put in a clip that shows the difference between the 2 exhausts, just so I'm gonna like tell my guy Eddie, if you guys are in the Charlotte area and do need any type of fabrication, any type of work, hit up my guy Exclusive Eddie. He will get you right. He's just out of Concord area, but if you're anywhere in NC, you'll be close by. And then I also wanted to note this as well. I did not get catless downpipes. I made sure I got catted downpipes just because I did not want to check engine light. And then for the exhaust, it does have a resonator. It's not resonator delete, but let's get it, boys. All right, so we got everything loaded up. All right, and this is how it sounds stock. This thing sounds terrible. But as y'all can see, you could definitely tell why I'm switching out the exhaust, because these things sound like shit stock. But it's gonna make a huge difference now, especially because we're getting the catted downpipes. Yeah, I had to make sure I noted that they're catted. And this is how the rev sounds on eco mode. As y'all can see, this thing is hella muffled. All right, and this is how it sounds out of M1 mode. It kind of has this little burbles, but you know, it could be better. And this is how it sounds on M2 mode. So it does sound good on M2 mode, but still, we could have better. Yeah, boys, let's take it to the shop now and let's see how it sounds after. Made it to the shop. We're about to drop the M3 off. This thing is gonna look so much finished once it gets lowered. Yeah, boy. All right, see you soon. All right, y'all, so we're back. Finally got the M3 out the shop now. As y'all can see, we got lowered and got spacers put on. And then also, we have now got on the full valved IRL exhaust. Now, let me get that sound test for y'all. Let's just take a second and see how good this thing is lined up now since it got lowered. Back fitment looks perfect. Well, and front too, of course, but it's a bit higher just because like once it settles in, it'll like drop again. But after that, we're gonna readjust again just so it's settled in and readjusted. But now we also can hear the turbos more. I kind of already heard it already, but let me quit yapping and get to the sound test. All right, and then I'm gonna get a sound test for you guys with the valves closed. As y'all can see, it also came with this controller. The top is open, bottom is closed. give y'all an inside POV of how it sounds. Oh, that thing is sounding nice. And this is inside of M1 mode as well. I'm not gonna lie, I cannot get over this exhaust. And then another thing that we also got done was the ARMS Motorsport downpipe. I feel like this is the best like sounding you could get for the G80, honestly. But you can go louder. I got catted downpipes. So if you get catless downpipes, it will be louder, but it will be raspier. So I would, well, honestly, another reason why I went with catted is just because I did not want the check engine light. As y'all know, with these cars, well, with this car specific, from the inside with the windows rolled up and everything, you can't really hear anything. But with this setup now, like, you can actually hear your exhaust with your windows like closed. And I'm gonna roll them down real quick and do a quick pull. It's gonna get a little windy, but you'll still hear it. This thing is sounding so good. Oh, I gotta merge it. Yeah, guys. If you made it this far, stay tuned for more. We got a lot more coming for the G80 and for the Jenny. The Jenny's in the shop right now getting its bags put on. But yeah, I would say 10 out of 10. And now the G80 is looking better now since it's sitting on lowering springs finally. But yeah, boys, stay tuned.